I hooked up an electric motor to my no Lenz Law effect generator to conduct some tests. After a while, I noticed a bad thing was happening. The amount of voltage the generator produced was going down. I suspected the permanent magnets were losing their magnetism. This was something I had been afraid might happen. I had been using the motor for only a few minutes at a time. I did not want to run the motor for, say, 2 hours straight because it isn't made to operate in the straight up position. This is the motor-generator combination working in slow motion. I designed another test to determine if the permanent magnets were becoming demagnetized. I hooked the coil up to a car battery charger. The charger is also a transformer. It steps down the 110 volts from the wall socket to 12 volts. I felt the 110 volts was too much juice for the thin wires I was using. I left the charger on for 2 hours. One result was the coil got very hot. Heat is bad and contributes to the demagnetization of the permanent magnets. Another factor is the coil becomes an electromagnet whose field overpowers the permanent magnet's field. The result was, after only 2 hours, the permanent magnets had lost about 10% of their strength. In theory, my no Lenz Law effect generator works. In reality, it has a serious demagnetization problem. Perhaps with research this problem can be overcome. Perhaps not. This is the permanent magnet coil arrangement. It is a stack of ceramic magnets with a couple of 100 feet of wire wrapped around the magnets.